दोस्तों, आपको अगर हमारी वीडियो पसंद आए तो इस वीडियो को लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, घंटे को दबाएं, ऑल प्रेस करें हमारी वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
Hello friends, welcome to another new fresh video. In today's video we will be talk whether you also face such a problem in Microsoft Copilot when you open such error appears in the website and Microsoft, we are sorry but we are unable to connect to the service at this time. If you are facing the same type the problem, in today's video we will be talk what is this problem and how to solve it. So friends, many users are facing the same type of problem in currently time. You can check the down detector, many users are reporting and many users are seeing the same type of problem, application or login problem. If you are facing the same type of problem Microsoft Copilot, so you just follow some steps, simply solve this problem. Check your internet and Wi-Fi connection, see if the issue is network related, and if any update is coming then go to the app store and simply update it your software, your Microsoft Copilot. After back, make sure all required app permissions are enabled including internet and storage. If you are using a VPN, simply disabled. If the problem still is not fixed, the application server may be a down or under maintenance. In that case, wait for some time and try again later. And if the issue continues after several hours, uninstall the software Microsoft and reinstall the latest version. So I hope you liked our video, so don't forget like to the video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.